Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the currency in your Gumroad products. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all your products and settings. Now direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of options there. Go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to a page displaying all the products you've created on Gumroad, making it easy to manage and edit them as needed. From the list of products that appears, click on the specific product you want to change the currency for. This could be any digital product you're selling, whether it's an ebook, course, or template. Clicking on it will open up the detailed settings page for that particular product. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you find the pricing section. This is where all the price-related settings are located, including the currency options. The pricing section is crucial because it determines how your customers will see and pay for your product in their local currency. In the pricing section, you'll notice a drop-down menu for currency selection. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available currency options. Gumroad supports multiple currencies, so you can choose the one that best suits your target audience or market. Select your preferred currency from the list. This change will update how the price is displayed to customers, allowing them to see the cost in the currency you've selected. This is particularly useful if you're targeting customers in specific regions or want to make your pricing more transparent for international buyers. Optionally, if you also want to adjust the actual price of your product, you can go ahead and change it right here in the same section. Simply edit the price field to reflect the new amount you want to charge. This gives you full control over both the currency and the pricing in one convenient location. After you've made your currency selection and any price adjustments, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Save and Continue. Click on it to proceed. This saves your initial changes and prepares the system to finalize all your updates. Finally, in the upper right corner again, click Save Changes. This confirms all the modifications you've made to your product's currency and pricing settings. Your product is now updated with the new currency, and your customers will see the price displayed in the currency you've selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency for your Gumroad product, making it easier to sell to your target audience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.